got a pocket full of shells and not much of anything else. I got a locket full of notes or melodies uncounted volts. And it's been so long since I've seen you, and I've been so gone, been out of my mind. And things they move on, but I just need you, so I still wait for you most every night. When are you coming home? It's so lonely here tonight. Trail of poison crumbs, we got lost pretending undone. Then our blood fell from the clouds, the wind it screamed, the sea it howled. And every cold dry morning crows sing of how there's ice forming on the lake. Oh yes, somebody called me, said they saw you, said you were looking older, but just the same. When are you coming home? It must be freezing out today. And we'll sing Galilee, we'll sing Reverie, dance for the broken, break these chains. We'll sing of wrongs and lies and alibis. We'll take a chance and start again. We'll sing Galilee, we'll sing